I'm Sarah Elizabeth Light, Realtor in Sarasota, Florida, and today I'm going to show you the DELRAY model floor plan in Toscana Isles, which is located in Venice, Florida. As you can see, this beautiful community has a gorgeous clubhouse, which includes your bocce ball, pickleball, tennis, billiard tables, fitness center. Also has a kayak launch, fire pit, dog park, and an activities director. Now, if you see this beautiful landscaping, they've thoroughly thought through the best way to develop this community to make you feel at home. The DELRAY floor plan is a home that is 2,034 square feet. It is 3 bedroom plus a flex room, 2 bath. This particular home is 3 car, however the builder does also build it as a 2 car. So as we go through this home, you're going to see many upgrades that the builder did that aren't necessarily standard in the home. If you're thinking of moving to Florida, get out of that snow, get away from those crazy state taxes, come down to Florida. Check this home out. If you do like the idea of a new build, but want to pick out your own features versus what the builder did, they have many lots still available. You can pick exactly what you want if these finishes aren't to your taste. Now, as we enter the DELRAY, you're going to notice crown molding throughout. And when we go towards the left, you're going to have a spare bath. To the right of the bath, you have a bedroom. Now, to the left of the bathroom, you have an additional bedroom. Take note the double door closets versus the bifolds. Now we'll go back into the main entryway, and to our right here is going to be our fantastic 3-car garage, which, as you know, was an upgrade because this is a standard 2-car garage floor plan, but the builder has added that 3rd car. You then have your laundry room. As you see, washer dryer hookup, and also you have room for a slop sink. Now this room is our flex room. As you notice, they did run the tile in there versus the carpet. Now we'll head back into the main entryway, hallway, and here is our living room. Awesome sliders out to your back patio. This can be your dinette. And look at this kitchen, guys. This is fantastic. Whirlpool appliances. And if you see here, we will go to the master. Great view out the backyard. And as you head towards the bathroom, you'll go past the his and her closets on your left and right. Once you enter the bathroom, you do have your double vanity, your walk-in shower, and also your separate room for your commode. Now guys, this house isn't gonna last long. Like I said, it's a brand new construction. They're ready to close on this property. So if you are interested, please let me know. You can reach me at 941-402-3837. One more feature I want to show you on this particular lot that the builder did do that's not always included unless you do an upgrade is they have the hookup on the back patio for your sink. So you can do your hot, cold water, and then your sewer out for your outdoor kitchen. Electrical outlets are there already, so why not just build this to your custom, perfect little outdoor kitchen? Alright guys, I just want to point out a couple things, a little bit more detail on this kitchen. Whirlpool appliances, as I stated, fridge, washer, dryer, range, and look at this countertop. How beautiful is that? So if you guys are interested, as I've stated, this home's not going to last. They are ready to close on this property. The house is complete. So if this is a home you're interested in, please let me know. Sarah Elizabeth Light at 941-402-3837, or email me at sarah@sarasotadiscovered.com.